Hello, everybody. It's week number 4 here at Mass Media Online, and hopefully you're having a good time. This week we are taking on Chapter 4, which is all about books. From here on out, each of the chapters takes on a particular medium, and this week is books. Just a warning ahead, next week we'll be taking on 2 chapters, both newspapers and magazines, and so we'll have the same number of assignments, with the exception we'll have 2 quizzes and of course double the reading. So if you want to work ahead, you certainly can, and those assignments are already there. So let's take a look at what we got going on this week. Chapter 4, we do have the quiz and the seminar and discussion board, just like always. Of course, we have a project this week, and we're going to preview that right now, and also your blog entry. So let's go ahead and check out the topic for the discussion board. And that is going to be textbooks, in particular e-textbooks. I want you to tell me what you think about e-textbooks, because of course everyone has the cost of textbooks on their mind, and I'm wondering if it would be of interest to you to use e-textbooks, and what are some of the things that would persuade you to use them. Would it just be cost? Have you had experience with them in the past? I found a website I thought was interesting because, of course, I teach mass media. There's a professor who started a website that's kind of an e-book. It's not really an e-book, it's an e-course, and you can take the whole course online. Of course, it's not accredited by any particular institution, so you can check that out. Also, I put an article here from McGraw-Hill about how they're using e-textbooks and some of the things that's going on there. So that's our discussion board. I want to find out what you think about those kind of things. Also, our project is about books, and in particular about the bestseller list. So what I want you to do for this one is actually check out the bestseller list on USA Today and on New York Times. And what you'll find as I scroll down here is that, here's the link for them, is that these lists are actually very different. They have different books, different organizations and whatnot, so different way they're organized. Check them out, see what you think, and give me some feedback on what you've discovered. And you might need to do a little digging about exactly what is, how are these are organized, and how the books make it on these bestseller lists. Okay, so that's a project for this week. Shouldn't take you too long. Click on those links, check those out, and do a little research, and you'll crank that right out. Last couple of things, of course, we do have a quiz and we do have a blog. Remember, the blog is for you to put on whatever you want, whatever you seem to be thinking about this week. This week I posted for the blog, I found some reviews for e-readers, one for the iPad and one for the Nook, the Color Nook. So you want to check those out and see what you think, and of course you don't have to respond to those. You can write about whatever you want, but make sure you enter something in the blog. Also, I put one other video for you just for your benefit, for fun, if you want to check it out. Many of you know who J.K. Rowling is, of course. She is the author of the Harry Potter series, and she spoke at Harvard recently, and it's interesting what she has to say. So you don't have to watch that, of course. It's just for fun if you want to do that. Okay, everybody, that's going to do it. Hope you have a great week, and if you have any questions, please shoot me an email, and I hope to read about what you have to say and see you in the discussion boards. Okay, we'll see you soon.